Hey everybody, I'm here with Big Josh Vegan, Raging Plants. We are at Wegmans, and this is the first time that I've seen this happen, but they're closing at midnight, which is just in a little bit. And this is a store that's open 24/7 all year long, except for like 2 days. I think Christmas and maybe Easter or New Year's, one of those 2 days. It's 2 days they take off, and they're closing the doors because of the coronavirus, and everything is out. So we're gonna go in here and try to get a few last minute things. Waited all day. I didn't want to be out in the rush with everybody. I wanted to wait at nighttime when there was not as many people around, and just really taking precautions here. But you know, you gotta eat, you gotta get to the grocery store. So here we are. Let's go in, let's see what they have. Big Josh. All right, Wegmans. Okay, all the produce is here.
Where's all the corn?
What do we want? Do we want Brock? Berries are all gone. Do we want some blueberries, Josh? Oh my God, all the bananas are gone. That's what I need. All right, all the carrots. Carrots are gone. Celery's all gone. Bananas are all gone. There's no bananas. Oh my God, there's like no anything. It's never been this dry. Yeah, we have a few. There's no potatoes or onions. They're all gone. Like, everything's gone. Everything's gone. This is no joke. March 13th. Going shopping at Wegmans. They're closing tonight at midnight in 20 minutes. This is crazy. They do have produce here, but not much of anything. Josh got some onions. We can make some soup. We got some tomatoes, potatoes, spinach. Yeah, might as well. I bet the Oatly's gone. This is surreal. I called it. I called this about a month ago. It's happening. I feel like I'm in 28 days later. Kind of exciting, kind of scary at the same time. Oh, we need bread. And of course, almost all the bread is gone. This is nuts. Limit 2 per customer. So let's go for it. Let's get 2. Let's get a French peasant and a multigrain. We're not here to go crazy. We're just here to get some food because I don't want to be coming back. Well, so all the bread is almost all gone. It says you can only get 2 per customer, so I'm grabbing those 2. All right, let's keep going, guys. I haven't really done cereal lately, but I think this might be a time to get some cereal. Wow, look at that. All the meat's gone too, gross. Okay, please have Oatly, please have Oatly. Oh my God, they don't have the Oatly I want, but you know what? You can't complain in times like this, so we're gonna get the one with extra fat in it. Oatly. And there it is, the very last Oatly going to the vegan zombie. Doesn't look like people ran to the vegan stuff, which is the stuff that is going to sustain people.
Listen, if you want to survive,
Let's hear it from Josh.
you go vegan. That's how you survive.
Josh looks like he's infected, but he actually just woke up. So tofu. Organic extra firm. I think we have 2 at home. Let's just grab 2 more. We can make a nice tofu scramble with this, and maybe some tofu sandwiches and stuff. Oh, you know what? We need peanut butter. Peanut butter. I'm almost out of peanut butter. I need peanut butter. I'm gonna say, you know what? Should we just get the big one? Might as well get the big one. salsa. A lot of the soups are gone. Most of the vegan meats are still around. You guys hear that? They made the announcement just now. Look at this. So down here, no water is left. Let's see if there is some water, just because I hate drinking my tap water. It looks like it's all gone. Okay, so this is where the water normally is. There's no water. All of the water is gone. What? You got the ramen right there. Ramen's good. We got enough of that. I mean, can you ever really have enough in a situation like this? We want some pasta, some pasta. Look at this. Everything's gone. Here's the peanut butter aisle. And guess what? They are out of peanut butter.
Yeah.
The only thing they have is a $10 almond butter, which there's no peanut butter. This is crazy. All the ramen is gone. Everything here is gone. Everything is gone. I've never seen Wegmans like this before, guys. And it's probably like this everywhere. And yes, I knew this would happen a month ago. All right. Let's try this almond butter down here because it's the cheapest one. Let's see what it's got in it. Ingredients. I guess we'll get this almond butter. Yeah, there's probably no vegetables left. Veggies are gone. They're all gone. There's nothing. Everything's wiped out. This is when S got real. They're about to, ooh, wait, look what I just found. Somebody put it back. It's crunchy. I normally do smooth, but we're getting it. Creamy, I mean. A little bit different from the first video we made. Oh, you got it.
What?
You know what?
I was at DeWitt Wegmans and they didn't have any more.
When everything's going to you got Netflix and chilled.
Yeah.
There you go, man. At least
Come on.
you're gonna go out happy.
Come on over and share some ice cream.
We're almost at the aisle that they said everything has been taken. The aisle of, oh, she got the garbanzo. Look at this, limit, 4 per customer. I wonder how many people abide by that. You know what? When the virus comes, everybody wants that toilet paper. They want their paper towels or toilet paper. It's all gone here. It's all gone.
Attention customers, we'll begin the closing process in 3 minutes.
It's completely wiped out here, and I called it about a month ago that this would happen, and it is happening. So they're telling us that we have to leave. Wegmans has never done this before, to my knowledge. They're open every day of the year except for 2 holidays, 24/7, and they're closing now. So we are getting out of here, and we'll keep you updated over here in the middle of the zombie apocalypse. Too close to the theme of my movie. So now we got a few things. Now we're taking off. This is crazy. We remembered our bags this time. We got all of our bags in there. We sanitized our hands. And now we're going back into the thick of it. Going back to the safe house.
How'd we do?
3 bagfuls. We got it.
Yeah, we did.
We got our reusable bags. Thank you for shopping. This isn't a normal night at the grocery store. The world's changing. Things are different, and we're under a strain, a virus that is more deadly than you're led to believe, at least here in this country. That's what happened March 13th. It's going to get worse, I think. I don't know what else is going to happen in the coming weeks, but I think it's going to get even more chaotic than it is already. People aren't going to want to go out to the stores. As you can see, we waited to the last minute, midnight, and they're closed. So hopefully we don't have to go back anytime soon, although I doubt it.
The shelves were almost empty everywhere.
We got light.
But we got lots of veggies.
We got the veggies. It seems like a lot of people passed over the veggies. Well, they go bad fast, you know. People want to get the non-perishables in a situation like this, and people panic. And for those of you that are, you know, just basically telling people, you know, not to do this, unfortunately, you guys are the ones that are going to be hurting. You guys are going to be the ones that don't have anything, because even if 90% of the people listened and didn't do this, the population is so great that those that don't listen are going to do it anyway, and no matter what, everything is going to be sold out and in the stores. So you might as well go there. You don't have to go crazy, but just get the essentials, get what you need, get to the store before there's nothing left. The stores are obviously going to be trying to restock things, but we're in for something that we haven't experienced in our lifetime. So
well, vegans are gonna survive.
That's kind of like,
there's no question.
That's kind of like the premise of my my theme of the vegan zombie in my movie. The vegans would be one step ahead, and it's kind of coming true here in a way. But don't eat the meat. Definitely don't eat the meat. Don't eat the dairy. We don't know exactly where it came from, the coronavirus. There's speculation that it came from animal, from something in China, bat, maybe, whatever. But there's also speculation that it could be bioengineered. So we don't know for sure. We might never know the answer to that. But what we do know is that this is happening right now. And I think it's a lot worse than people are led to believe. This is no flu. This is a lot more dangerous than the flu. So the best thing you can do is try to avoid getting it all together, which means, you know, don't go out to unnecessary gatherings anymore. Don't be shaking hands or touching people unnecessarily. And I'm gonna be staying home. I mean, Josh goes out and he's out all the time. And Rachel just got a job as a nurse, so she's at ground zero for this. Yeah. You know, out of all this time that you've been going to school, you finally got a job exactly when this started happening.
Perfect timing.
Yes, it's
How
crazy.
do you feel about that,
Yeah,
Rachel?
yeah. So what can we say? What can you say about it? Anything? As a nurse?
It's gonna get a lot worse before it gets better.
Yeah.
Wash your fucking hands. You can bleep that out.
Are you going to get any special training, or are you not allowed to divulge that information, or?
They already started like precaution training, so to make sure we don't contract it and don't give it to anybody.
And bring it home to, like, you know, Josh and me and Zeke, Indy. Let me know what you guys think. I could go on and on about this. I have a lot more to say, but let's just keep this as a last minute grocery store preparedness video. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Let me know if you've experienced anything like this where you are. Thumbs up the video, subscribe, and thank you for all the support out there. And we'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully.
Love you all.
Was that a little laugh back there? Here's what our grocery haul was in the middle of a pandemic right now. So probably get some things that I normally wouldn't get, and this is between the three of us. So we got these the Leap and Lemurs cereal, in case we want some cereal. We didn't really have too much to pick from. We have garbanzo beans 4-pack. The last thing of peanut butter. This is the crunchy Smucker's peanut butter natural. We have some corn salsa. A few bags of, I hear people sniffling in the other room. A few bags of spinach. Some tomatoes on the vine. Luna bars. This is that almond butter. Never tried this before, but it was the cheapest one, so grab that. We have a couple things of extra firm tofu. For the bread, we got the Heidelberg bread. We have the multigrain and the French peasant. This is my favorite, but looking forward to trying. The multigrain is probably a little bit healthier, but they're both pretty good, decent ingredients. Some frozen veggies, always a good choice. They're flash frozen at peak ripeness, so that's good. Some more lettuce, garden salad, it looks like. I didn't even see them put that in the bag. Butter lettuce. It is vegan. We have some onions here. We could use those for many different things. Some red potatoes. And I actually have some potatoes under here too. So we got a lot of potatoes. We have 2 big things of salsa. Salsa is really good. It helps make things taste better when you're making them. We have that What are you even talking about over there? We have the frozen pops. I don't know who put those in the bin. And Josh picked out the Netflix and chilled. He's never had this before. So in every zombie apocalypse, you need some Netflix and chilled. If you can find it, you are pretty privileged. And then, of course, we got the Oatly. This isn't the kind of Oatly I would normally get. I'd normally get, show you guys right now. I normally get this Oatly, but that's the last one I have. I know, Zeke, I know you like Oatly. That right there is the grocery haul. And now it's time to put it away. Get your toy. Get it. Don't just push it around. Get it. Get it.